It's a whole video. What's up, bag babes? It's your girl, Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant. If you're new here, hey! My name's Rochelle. I'm a leader with 31 gifts. In this video, I'm going to give you a haul, most recent from the fall 2021 catalog. If you want to know about all the fun stuff that are happening on this channel, my giveaways and all that fun stuff, wait till the very end of the unboxing. For you bag babes that are back, welcome back. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, especially if you love the vibe in this tribe. Don't forget to give these videos a big like. I try to make 100 for each video, and ring that bell. You don't miss any of the videos. So let's get right to it. A local bag babe did some shopping with me during last month's gift with purchase Black Friday sale. I love these kind of videos because I can totally share their haul with you. Again, to help you shop our catalog and all the fun stuff. So I hope this excites you as much as it excites me. She just loved this pattern. She practically got it in everything. All right, so let's dive in, all right? Awesome! First things first that we grabbed. You guessed it. It is the Houndstooth, girls. This is a classic pattern that's been around for decades, okay? This is one of those prints that never really go out of style. This is the Houndstooth inspired, classic Houndstooth Pebble and inspired Crossbody LTD. If you don't know anything about this purse crossbody, I'm about to tell you the awesomeness of this. First and foremost, faux leather all around. It is smaller than about the Benjamins, which is our #1 wallet, but think of this as a wallet leveled up, okay? I'm going to show you. This is a crossbody purse, but it also can be a wristlet and pretty much a wallet. If you opened it up, wait, time out. If you were to personalize it, it would go right here. Yes, you can personalize it. If you were to open it up, you have a front flap right here, which totally fits your cell phone right here. Samsung, iPhone, all those big ones can fit right in the front pocket. It is a flap. The way it closes is these magnet tabs, just for you bag babes who are curious. Then you have a zippered portion, which the crossbody is hidden in here. And these are detachable, so that's why you can get a wristlet and also wear this as a clutch if you like to. Crossbody is adjustable with the antique metals for all you bag babes who are curious. These are the little D-rings that you clip on here. But I was talking that this could be a wallet because look, on the inside, you have several flaps. On the inside, this side you have, I believe, 6. But if you flip it around, there you would have your ID flap right here, that clear pocket. Then you have 3 more here. But wait, there's more. Then you have a zipper pocket right here for all your loose change and whatnot. You can stick in there. And then there is a hidden compartment, another flap in the back where you can hide your secret stash, bills, stuff from your kid, your significant other. So as you can see, it is what am I trying to say? It opens, it folds open and close. You know that music thing that goes like this. I can't think of it, but I know you bag babes can go ahead and shout it down below. So that is how this works. It folds and folds. And then she got the matching wristlet and the caramel pebble, because when you don't want to wear it as a crossbody, you can opt to go ahead and attach to your D-ring right here. Boom, like that. And you can wear it as a clutch. So Crossbody LTD, one of those all-in-purpose, super functional kind of purses. It can work as a crossbody, it can work as a wallet plus purse, or it can work as a wristlet slash clutch. All right, that's the first thing. So I'm telling you, she loved this pattern. And she got that spend 50, you get an any item at 50% off. So when she got that, she unlocked the 50% off item, and she got herself a modern tote in the classic Houndstooth. We've seen these modern totes. If you don't know anything about this bag, it is faux leather, faux pebble, okay? It does have the caramel to it. Let's take away the packaging. I'm not gonna fully unwrap it because I still have to give it to her. If you were to personalize it, it would go right here. Super soft, flexible kind of material. We do have the fancy cell phone pocket that I love right here. Yes, you can put iPhone, Samsung. Some people put your chapstick. Some people put your mask. Some people put your antimicrobial little hand sanitizers in here. This is a little fun pocket. Some people put your keys. Fun pocket, okay? You do have the faux leather straps. This is an open tote, okay? So for you bag babes who love quick in and out, a great working bag because almost any kind of laptop can fit in here. On the inside, you do have the simple pocket pouch right here that most like our mini zipper pouch can fit in. And then you have 2 flaps right in the front right there, all right? So that is the modern tote. Great, generous handle. I'm a little shorty, so I have to tippy toe. But as you can see, that's how like low it would go. All right, and then boop, boop, modern tote. Next, you know, you can't have these purses without a matching All About the Benjamins. She is one of those bag babes that have to match wallet with a purse. So All About the Benjamins, this is our #1 wallet. If you are new and don't know anything about this, look at that pattern. That is just so sharp, right? Yes, you can personalize all our wallets. It would go right here on one of the flaps. Brass antique material metal. If you're looking, this is the reason why it's our #1 wallet. All right, you open it up, super cute. You have your ID flap right here, and I believe you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slots right here. Guess what? You can open up here, slide in your checkbook, slide in some cash right there. On this, you have a front flap right here, and then you have a zipper pocket right here for all your change and whatnot. Then guess what? There's more bag babes, so you have 2, 4, 6 more flaps back here. And then this is the secret compartment. Again, there is another right there, flap right there. I usually keep my cash right there. Things I want to like not really showcase right there. Most of my cash goes here, but then if I have like maybe a couple, 20, I was going to say $100. Yeah, Benjamins, right? I would sneak back there. One thing that I love about this, you get your matching wristlet, which she already has. This can also be your clutch as well. It is big enough to go ahead and fit any iPhone, any Samsung, any kind of telephone in here. So this is why it's our #1 wallet, because not only can it carry all your essentials in terms of your cards and cash, checkbook, and all that fun stuff, but you can also stick your phone in here and take it on the go. All About the Benjamins. Now this is kind of like the gateway to our custom all day, everyday customer special. If you get an all about the Benjamins, guess what? You unlock another 50% off item. And that's what she did. She got that Crossbody LTD, unlocked the higher price tote at 50% off, and with the All About the Benjamins, she got herself a City Scene bag. The difference between the City Scene and the modern tote is the sizing. City Scene is way smaller, and this one has a zipper, okay? So look at the sizing. I hope you can see that. This one is, I know, it's smaller. You're like, I'm getting the pattern's blending, and I'm getting cross-eyed. It is way smaller. How about that way? Let's see. Can you do that way? So City Scene, way smaller than the modern tote. Again, if you were to personalize it, boom, right there. You have that fun outside pocket, cell phone, antibacterial, your mask, whatever you want in there. This, on the different side, it does zip up. Again, you do have that flexible, nice material, super soft. This does zip up, and you do have the same zipper pouch size here with the flaps as well, okay? So City Scene, 50% off because she got the matching wallet, all right? So if you guys know, last month we got the gift with purchase. When you spent $100, you got a free tote with topper. Let's go see which one she got. That was $200. So she got free 2 large utility totes in the Mystic Gray with the large topper. All right, our large utility tote is our #1 product. So if you're new here, new to 31, that is probably your go-to in terms of gifting for yourself or for others. You're like, what do I get? A large utility tote, #1 product for years, okay? It always ranks #1 in every month, year after year. So if you're unsure where to start, you can always start there. And it comes in all the patterns. That's the only one product in our catalog that comes in every pattern that's available for the season that it is. So if you're loving anything that you're seeing, don't forget to get in on my monthly mystery hostess. Link is down below. When you shop that link, you get a chance to win all of the rewards for December. I always try to hit a minimum of 500 because that unlocks the Insider Awards, which at the moment is 70% off of the online extras. I mean, who doesn't like a steal, okay? Winner will be announced on the 26th, so the day after Christmas, you get to do some shopping. Hey! Well, how fun is that, all right? Now, if your list is growing and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm at $200, let me make you a shopping link of one. That way, not only will you get your shopping spree done, but you unlock the rewards for yourself. Why not get some insider exclusive, meaning items that are just for those who do insider or party it up, and some other extra fun half off credit, all for shopping under one link. And yes, you can choose to share that link with friends or family if you choose to rack up those rewards. If you have any questions, reach out to me, reach out to the consultant that you're working with, and we can totally answer those questions. Now, if you want to level it up, let's go ahead and get in on the 31 perks. That way you can get 25% off on additionally on what you're shopping for yourself or loved ones for the holiday season. Don't forget that the outlet is literally around the corner. I can feel it in the air. If you want to get in on my outlet VIP list, meaning you want to know the 411 right away, go ahead and comment outlet down below. If we've never connected before offline, there is a contact me form that you need to fill out so we can go ahead and exchange information and I can get you the information right away. All right? Who doesn't love an outlet sale? I know you girls love outlet sales, all right? And don't forget, again, when you are with the 31 family, you get 25% off on top of the outlet sale prices. So it's like a discount on top of a discount, and that's the only way you can do it, right? If you have any questions, we are looking for leaders and consultants alike. Feel free to reach out to me, reach out to the consultant that you're working with. I can answer all the questions for you and make sure you get a very strong and informed decision. I'm number 3 top in the company about onboarding new consultants. So whatever your 31 journey looks like, however small or big, I hope you choose me. I'd totally be honored to show you the way. If you haven't yet, I'm having Rockstar giveaway all December until Christmas. I'm dropping gift card codes in the community tab for you to shop. It ranges from $5 to $50. So it's up to you. It's a surprise, and it's first one come served. Once that code is used, I'm going to go ahead and pop up another one. I'll see you on Saturday during Bad Babe TV. We're going to go ahead and play a game, all right? 7 a.m. West Coast time, 10 a.m. East Coast time. We haven't done that in a while, and I'm going to announce all the fun stuff that are going to be happening this month as well, all right? We got big goals, and I know y'all are Team Rockstar, and we're going to go ahead and have fun. Till next time, I'll see you in the next video, and enjoy Vlogmas. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and check out these playlists that I got for you. Ta-ta for now!